Here is your first look at the Nike Air Jordan 1 in the Mocha colorway. This is amazing. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we have an unboxing and review of a sneaker that I've been waiting for quite a while. So the story behind this sneaker is, as you can tell by the thumbnail and the title of this video, is that this is the Air Jordan 1 in the Mocha colorway. So I actually won this pair for retail from BSTN in the raffle, so I was extremely lucky. However, there were a few issues with this. Because we went into lockdown in the UK, DHL was not shipping any parcels into the UK. So my raffle is kind of stuck right now. They sent the parcel back to the store, and the store's contacted me saying that I will get the parcel, but I couldn't really wait. So I decided to purchase this retail pair from StockX. So this pair came in today and I'm now just doing an unboxing. I do have a fake pair as well, so there will be a comparison coming in the next few days. So firstly, it is the classic Jordan 1 box, black and red. It has the retail sticker on the side, which I'm guessing is from End, because this is the same sticker that they use on all of their boxes. It's a size UK 9, which is a true to size for me, and the color code that End use is Sail Black Dark Mocha. So we'll open it up and take a look at the shoes themselves. So obviously it comes with a StockX receipt, but I don't want to show you that because it shows my details. And here we go. Here is your first look at the Nike Air Jordan 1 in the Mocha colorway. This is amazing. So like always, StockX did perfect packaging. There was no damage to the box whatsoever, and the shoes come pristine. So here is the pair of the Mocha Jordans. Obviously it does have the StockX tag on them to prove authenticity, but I have legit checked them already and they are authentic, so you don't need to worry about that. I did pay resale for this, obviously, because I use StockX, so they were around £340 I paid, I think, like that. So the price might have gone down or up by then. I don't actually know, I haven't looked into it, but I'm not really that bothered because this is a shoe that I absolutely love. So some people are saying this is just the cheap version of the Travis Scott Jordan 1, which is the full brown upper with the reverse swoosh, but in my opinion this looks better. This looks a lot better than that. As many of you know, and I've reviewed Jordan 1s on this channel a lot, you can see it has that white toe box area and then the white tongue. That for me is amazing, especially because these come with spare creamy white laces. They don't quite match the tongue, but with that full white lace on the top going along, it just looks so much better in my opinion. So for this Jordan 1, they've gone with a black leather around the toe and then that white creamy toe guard as well, which looks really, really good as well. On the side, we've gone with a black leather swoosh, and then around the back and at the top parts of the heel, they have that nubuck suede in a brown color, just like on the Travis Scott Jordans. And in my opinion, the quality of the leather is exactly the same. It changes color when you move your finger over it. It's really, really high quality. To be honest, I actually have no complaints about this shoe whatsoever, none at all. The quality of them is really, really good. The leather is incredibly soft on both the side panels and on the toe, and the suede at the back is really, really good. Stitching quality all over the shoe. Nike did a really, really good job of these, especially on my pair. There is no stitching flaw whatsoever, so they did a really, really good job of these. And this is an extremely popular shoe, as you can see by the prices and even the popularity of sales on different websites. You can see how popular these are, and with time, as we all know with Jordan 1s, this is going to go up in price by a huge margin. I think it will probably go up to about 700 and probably stay there for quite a while, in maybe a year or so. but that is just my opinion. The sole on the bottom is a white cream that they've done to match the leather on the outer side, and then the bottom tread is in that black colour. I wouldn't have minded if the bottom tread had been in brown that matched the suede. I think that would have looked pretty good. Also, there could have been a few little more details of the brown, such as the Nike Air tag on the tongue. That would have looked cool if it was in brown. And I also would have liked it to come with some spare brown laces, but the cream ones are the only ones that come with it. So I'm a little disappointed by that. But other than that, this is the best Jordan 1 I've seen release in a long time, and that's saying something because they've been putting out some bangers recently. I'm not too sure if the hype around these is just because they are very similar to the Travis, or if they'd never released the Travis, would these be as popular? I'm gonna say no. I don't think they would have been as popular if they hadn't released the Travis, but it's still an incredibly clean colorway and something that you can wear with absolutely everything. So this was just a short review and basically just giving you my opinion on what I think is the best Jordan 1 to release in such a long time. As you can probably tell from this video, I'm extremely happy to have this retail pair in hand. I do have a comparison coming soon between a real and a fake pair, so stay on the lookout for that. But thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.